Popyseed cake, one of the best delicious cake you can make in your life. Popyseed aroma with lemon is really tasty. In breakfast, you have to do it. With little coffee, you will be in paradise. This video we make amazing Popyseed cake from A to Z. If this first time to watch me, please go ahead, watch. There is 400 video, everything you imagine about pastry, bakery, ice cream and chocolate, even how to make white chocolate, dark chocolate, all the tempering technique, all tart, vegan, name it. This is Popyseed, fresh. This was in my garden. And the famous Van Gogh painting is appium flour. So Popyseed come from appium flour. And let's start. 1 big lemon or 2 small lemon, zest and juice. So you have to soak this one at least 1 hour before you make the cake to get the flavor to be soft and absorb all the moist. And Popyseed will never burn in the oven. So juice of 1 big lemon and zest, 40 ml of fresh milk, 40 gram of Popyseed. You mix all together, leave it minimum 1 hour to absorb all the moist and got the strong aroma Popyseed lemon cake. After 1 hour, 100 gram butter, pinch of salt, 3 gram of baking powder, 180 gram of flour. So pinch of salt, I added to the egg, so to absorb the bad smell, and this vanilla sugar. So easy recipe. 100 gram butter, 100 gram sugar. We mix it together, soften, and later on we'll add 20 ml of fresh lemon juice. So again, 2 eggs, 40 gram Popyseed, 40 ml of fresh milk, 100 gram sugar, 100 gram butter, 180 gram flour, 3 gram baking powder, 20 ml again lemon juice fresh, pinch of salt, pinch of vanilla. We mix all together. When butter and sugar becomes creamy, I added the lemon juice and the egg. 20 ml fresh lemon juice. And then I added the egg. From time to time you have to bring the edges. And if you have kitchen aid, will be much better, much faster. Then I added the egg. Now my battering is ready. Very important to get all the edges to be softened, because as soon as you make the butter and sugar creamy, the cake will be more moist and more soft. Here we go. You can see after 1 hour, the Popyseed already set. It becomes dry. And then I mix it and added my baking powder with the flour. Slowly mix and your cake is ready. Actually, I make in 2 molds, so different shape. You can prefer which one you can use to your buffet, to your kids, even your friends. This round mold 15 centimeter and this 18 centimeter cake mold, and you can see it's enough for both of them. In meantime, I preheat the oven 175 at least 10 minutes before baking. Now I arrange all to be the same quantity, same height. And then will be so easy to bake. Here is 15 centimeter and here 18 long, 8 wide. Because sometimes people ask me exactly what to do. 8 wide, 6 high. 175 Celsius for 35 minutes exactly. And then your fantastic lemon poppy seed cake will be ready. One of the best delicious cake you can do. See, after 9 minutes, it's to grow up. And now it's ready. As soon as you take out from the oven, leave it half an hour to cool down. Then you cut slice and bon appetit. Thanks for being in my channel. Please have a look. There is 450 recipe, all kind of cakes, how to make chocolate, how to tempering chocolate with many ways, how to do chocolate ornament, all kind of breakfast, croissant, Danish, Russian cake.